Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable Wi-Fi in Windows 11. At the bottom right corner, you can see there is no internet access and no connection available because the Wi-Fi is turned off. To enable or turn on Wi-Fi, you just need to right-click on the Start icon and then click on Run. This method works not only on Windows 11, but also on Windows 10, Windows 7, and Windows 8.1. Once the Run window opens, type ncpa.cpl and then click on OK. A window called Network Connections will open. Here, you can see that the Wi-Fi is enabled. You will see Intel R Wi-Fi 6 listed. You can either double-click on it or right-click and choose Enable. I'll double-click on it, and it will start disabling the Wi-Fi. After it is disabled, wait for a few seconds. If it connects automatically, you will see that the internet is now connected and working properly. If you found this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.